In 1977, we acquired the Missionary House, as we call it, from one of our Board of Trustees, Willie Mae Lewis Lyon. For over 40 years, this has been home to Southern Baptist missionaries who've come home on furlough. They're taking care of their paperwork, they're getting ready to go back, they're on vacation, they see their families. As a 60th anniversary project, we have chosen to renovate the Missionary House. We've redone all of the floors, took out all of the carpet, have laid down waterproof linoleum. We've bought all new furniture. Many churches have helped, individuals have helped. We want to make it comfortable for the missionaries that have gone out, that have given their life, dedicated their lives to service. We want them to be able to come and just let loose, not think about what's going to happen tomorrow, relax so that they can energize when they go back out on the field. We have a family coming in Monday, August 23rd, after our open house, which is Sunday, from Israel. They'll stay through December, through the end of the year, and at the beginning of the year we have a family with 6 children that are coming in from Japan. We've made it possible for faculty and staff to join with us by going to Walmart.com, Amazon, and Target. We have registries there under the name University of Mobile, some say Missionary House, but it's the day-to-day living things, the sheets, the towels, the kitchen necessities that we are still lacking. I just have to say thank you to the churches, the individuals, the organizations that have donated and made this renovation possible. I'd like to invite you all to an open house to come see what we've done and get excited about what we've done on Sunday, August 22nd, from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Our address is 1641 Woods Trail 36613. Put it in your GPS and come see what we've done, see what God's done.